Judge Scalia suggested that attorneys take a page out of the book from their death penalty colleagues and advise don't wait to think about sentencing advocacy because 99% of one's federal criminal clients will be facing sentencing. And so start preparing for the case as early as you can. I know all of you who are tuning in know someone or personally going through this experience today. No one can promise you and say that, I know the judge, don't worry. There's no rush to prepare. You've heard that the feds were asking questions, but still you're told there's no rush. The stages are, you may hear that there's rumors that the FBI and the Department of Justice have been asking questions. You may have gotten a target letter or someone showed up at your home. You're the feds. What you can do is different than what your attorneys can do. The nuances of everything that goes into a federal criminal defense is not just on the legal side, because the judge knows nothing about you, your attorney knows nothing about you. So it starts with a well-written personal narrative. This is your story or your autobiography or your brand. Wheaties has Breakfast of Champions. But why do you want to write your personal narrative? Because the Department of Justice has gifted you and printed their story of you. It's called your indictment, where you appear as America's most wanted, and it's likely not that flattering. The pre-sentence interview and investigation process. Your personal narrative, you need to prepare well written. It'll take a couple months. Getting all your files to your attorney, and then from your attorney to the probation officer about a week before your interview, comprehensive and organized, it may be appreciated because they will then have the time to fill out their probation report worksheet. And then when they meet with you at the interview, they can personally get to know who you are and ask any remaining questions that you may have. That's because many reasons. For the first is that your probation officer and is allowed to make your sentence and placement recommendation to the judge before you ever get there. Second is that your judge is going to read your pre-sentence report before you go into court. So they'll probably already have a sentence in mind. If you don't have a personal narrative woven into and attached to your pre-sentence report, then all the judge is going to read is your pre-sentence report and your indictment. And good luck with that. And they're going to be ready for someone who's, appears to be a career criminal. My name is Dr. Marc Blatstein. While no one can give you any guarantees, preparation can humanize you to your judge and reduce the fears that you and your family and loved ones are naturally experiencing. If you have any questions regarding the federal sentencing or just in general, give me a call at no charge, 240-888-7778. Some hearing conspiracy, not good conspiracy, carries a maximum of a life sentence. Sex trafficking by force, fraud, coercion, maximum a life sentence in prison. Mandatory minimum 15 years. Then he ran what's called a criminal enterprise, where he was the leader.